Hi, my name is Travis, and I've been playing music using things like this, and 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 that too, and also that. These are my little music boxes, and I've got a new YouTube channel all about my little music boxes, and you can watch videos like this.
All souls are on a quest to connect.
And this. And this.
The more you know who you are and what you want, the less you let things upset you.
Or something like this. Sometimes outdoors.
Trying to write a piece of music that's about what it feels like to be on the beach with you right now.
Sometimes a single box.
There was this all-normal hotel. It was all normal except for one part.
Sometimes a few. Sometimes tutorials like you're just falling on. Like the secret of this beat is just to fall on top of the beat. You don't want to land on the beat. You don't want to nail the beat. You just want to lay on top of it. You see how I'm not like trying to hit the beat. I'm trying to cuddle up with it and snuggle up with that beat and just like, tell me about your day. How's work, honey? Oh yeah. And even gear discussions. You can get a lot of taps or just a pretty washy reverb. And slow that down. So, subscribe to Little Music Boxes, okay? Thanks.